I think you're gorgeous. You got a great personality and a beautiful smile. You look like you will be fun around. Hi! Wow, guys! Finally, you are. How are you, guys? I miss you, guys, my friend. I am good, guys. How about you, Cassandra, Gary? Hey, Mark. Good morning, Mark. How are you, Mark? I'm fine, thank you. Good morning, Janelle. Hi. Wow, what are you doing now, Gus? Long time no see, Gus. Long time no see. I did not see him.